Behind every drop of golden sesame oil, every spoon of creamy tahini, and every bite of sweet halva lies an incredible journey, one that starts with tiny sesame seeds and ends with delicious, world-famous products. Today, we're taking you inside the incredible world of sesame seed processing, from harvesting to oil extraction, tahini blending, and halva molding, all inside state-of-the-art food factories. This is built by machines, and this is how sesame magic happens. Sesame plants are typically grown in warm climates like India, Sudan, Ethiopia, and parts of the Middle East and Asia. The seeds are harvested when the seed pods turn brown and begin to split open. Farmers either hand-cut the plants or use mechanical harvesters that shake and collect the dried pods. The harvested seeds are sun-dried, cleaned, and bagged before being transported to processing facilities. Once inside the factory, the sesame seeds are thoroughly cleaned. They pass through multiple stages of cleaning: sieving, destoning, gravity separation, and even optical sorting. These steps ensure only the best seeds are used, free from dust, stones, or impurities. For lighter-colored tahini and halva, white sesame seeds are preferred, while darker seeds are often used for oils. The cleaned seeds are then gently roasted. Roasting enhances the aroma, brings out the nutty flavor, and makes it easier to extract oil or blend into tahini. Factories use large-scale rotary roasters where seeds are roasted evenly at 150–180 degrees Celsius for around 15–30 minutes. Once roasted, they're quickly cooled to preserve flavor and nutrients. To make sesame oil, there are two common methods: cold pressing and hot pressing. In cold pressing, roasted or raw seeds are slowly pressed at low temperatures to retain nutrients, aroma, and a light golden color. This oil is often called virgin sesame oil. In hot pressing, the seeds are roasted before pressing, which gives the oil a darker color and a more intense, nutty taste. The oil flows out, passes through filters to remove seed particles, and is collected into stainless steel tanks. Later it's bottled, labeled, and ready to be shipped worldwide. Next comes tahini, a smooth, rich paste made from 100% ground sesame seeds. Roasted seeds are fed into industrial stone grinders or steel burr mills. These grinders crush the seeds into a thick, flowing paste. High-end factories run the paste through multiple grinding cycles to achieve a silky smooth texture. Tahini is then stored in temperature-controlled tanks and poured into jars or tubs for packaging. Nothing is added, just pure sesame seeds, making tahini not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Halva, also known as halwa or halwa, is a sweet delicacy made from tahini and sugar syrup. First, sugar and glucose syrup are boiled until they reach a specific temperature, usually around 120–130 degrees Celsius. This hot syrup is then slowly added to tahini in a high-powered mixer. The mixture begins to solidify and take on a flaky, fibrous texture, unique to halva. Flavorings like vanilla, pistachios, cocoa, or almonds are added at this stage. The warm halva is poured into molds or trays, cooled, cut into blocks, and packaged. It's soft, crumbly, and melts in your mouth. An iconic Middle Eastern and Mediterranean treat. Throughout the sesame processing journey, quality control is key. Samples of oil, tahini, and halva are tested in labs for moisture, fat content, microbial safety, and taste. Packaging lines are fast, precise, and hygienic, filling, sealing, and labeling thousands of jars or bottles per hour. Once packed, sesame oil, tahini, and halva are shipped worldwide to supermarkets, restaurants, and bakeries. These products are staples in cuisines across the globe, from Korean and Japanese cooking to Mediterranean dips like hummus, and desserts in Egypt, Turkey, and Iran. From field to factory, from seed to spoon, the journey of sesame is nothing short of incredible. Next time you drizzle sesame oil, spread tahini, or bite into halva, you'll know just how much work, precision, and passion goes into making it. This is built by machines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating factory stories. Thanks for watching.